Many people are interested in making money online, and it's no surprise the internet offers a vast array of opportunities for earning an income. However, it's important to understand that there's no quick and easy way to get rich online. It takes time, effort, and hard work to build a successful online business or career. It is important to understand the truth about making money online because there are many scams and misinformation on the internet that can lead people to make bad decisions about how they use their time, money, and resources. For example, there may be websites or programs that promise easy and quick ways to make a lot of money online, but they may not be legitimate or may require significant time, effort, or money to participate in. Understanding the truth about making money online can help people make informed decisions about how to use the internet to achieve their financial goals. There are many legitimate ways to make money online, but it is important to understand the potential risks and benefits of each method to make the best decision for oneself. There are many websites and social media posts that claim to have the secret to making a lot of money quickly and easily online. These claims are often nothing more than scams designed to take your money without delivering any real value. So, what is the truth about making money online? It's important to understand that there's no such thing as a get-rich-quick scheme. Earning money takes time and effort, no matter what method you choose. However, with hard work and dedication, it is possible to build a successful online business or find legitimate ways to earn money through the internet. Making money online is not easy, which is why you need to follow the tips I'm about to give you. First of all, you have to do your research. It is important to understand the different ways to make money online and to find legitimate opportunities that align with your interests and skills. Start small. Don't try to tackle too much at once. Start by focusing on one specific area and building from there. Be patient. Building a successful online business or career takes time, and it's important to be patient and persistent. Stay up to date. The internet is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. Never stop learning. There is always more to learn, and the more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to succeed online. So, while it is possible to make money online, it's important to be realistic about the effort and dedication required. Don't fall for scams or get-rich-quick schemes. Instead, focus on building a solid foundation and working hard to achieve your goals. And you can start today, as I have made a video about how to make money on TikTok and which stocks to buy now. If you're into investments, you can see the videos on your screen, so click on them to get started now.